Namaskaram, welcome back to the roots. Srimati Ramanujaya Namaha. So, Ramanuja has become a sannyasi. So, he was born in Sri Perumbudur, he spent some time in Sri Perumbudur. Then, after his father's death, they came to Kanchipuram, and here from there he attended the Gurukulam of Yadav Prakasha, and he attained education. And his mother also attained the lotus feet of Perumal. Then he lost interest in his worldly life, so he took sannyasam with the permission, with the blessings of God. So now he has become Sri Ramanuja Muni. Once people came to know that he has become sannyasi, they are all coming to have darshan of him. So they're so happy to see him. And he had disciples also. The first disciple was Dasarathi. Dasarathi was his sister's son. He was also known as Mudali Andan. Very brilliant person and very sincere in his duties. So both of them were fond of each other. So it is very important to remember these characters, because they all did a great kainkaryam, great service to Acharyan and to the devotees, to the people. The next disciple is a very rich man from Kuram. Kuram is a place near Kanchipuram. Even today you can see that place. So he was known as Srivatsanka Mishra, and we refer him as Kuratalvar. In Kuram you have a temple, Kuratalvar temple. That is a part of the palace was found out, and that is converted into. That is, the part of the palace was only found in a good condition. So that portion is now converted into a temple. So even today you can see that as a beautiful place, very divine place. So Kuratalvar. So Kureshwar was with him, and Kureshwar and his wife both became disciples of Ramanuja. They were so fond of Ramanuja. Kureshwar was elder to Ramanuja. He wanted to have Ramanuja as his Acharyan. So he came here and he started living with Ramanuja. The next one is Guru, Yadav Prakasha. Yadav Prakasha's mother, she was very fond of Ramanuja. She used to tell Yadav Prakasha, what you are doing to Ramanuja is very, very wrong. So better change yourself. But she couldn't. She was not very successful in that. So the years went by. Then after Ramanuja became sannyasi, the mother insisted that Yadav Prakasha to join Ramanuja, to be his disciple. But Yadav Prakasha had some kind of, he was hesitant, because he knew how he treated him, so that stopped him from approaching Ramanuja. So Yadav Prakasha, he met Tirukachinambigal and he had discussion about this with him. Then Tirukachinambigal also advised him to join, because you are such a great scholar, you have got so much of knowledge. So that will be used for good purpose if you are with Ramanuja. So make use of that. That will be the best part of your life. Then that day he had a dream in which God was also advising him that you go and join Ramanuja. So the next day Ramanuja had the disciple Yadav Prakasha with him. That is, Yadav Prakasha approached Ramanuja. Ramanuja immediately said yes. He never thought of all this. He never even mentioned what all happened in the past. So immediately accepted him as disciple, because his knowledge that was appreciated by Ramanuja so much. So he did Panchasamskaram to Yadav Prakasha, and he gave a new name, Govinda Jiyar, and he asked him to write a book which was called Yati Dharma Samuchayam, that is Sannyasi's Dharma. So By that time he was 80 years old, 80 plus, Yadav Prakasha. But Ramanujam made him do that, and he also became very happy to stay with Ramanuja. So now Ramanuja has 3 disciples, Mudaliyandan, Pureshar and Govindajiyar. This news, that is, Ramanuja became sannyasi. This news reached the people of Srirangam. So Alavanda's disciples came to know about it. So they all pestered Periyanambi. Why don't you bring Ramanuja to this place, to Srirangam? And as Alavandar wished, let us make him as the next leader, the Acharyan. So Periyanambi sent Thiruvaranga Perumal Arayar to, because he was good in dancing, singing Pasurams. So he sent, Periyanambi sent him to Kanchipuram. And here, Thiruvaranga Perumal Arayar, he went to the Tayar Sannadi and he had the darshan of Tayar. Then he went to Devaraja Perumal, that is Varadaraja Perumal Sannadi, and he sang all the Pasurams which were sung by Alvars. And he sang and he danced. So Perumal was very happy to see, delighted to see all that. Then immediately said, okay, what do you want? Whatever you want, I'll give you. Then immediately Arayar asked, why don't you send Ramanuja with us to Srirangam? We want Ramanuja to be in Srirangam. Perumal has already said, yes, I will give you whatever you want. So he couldn't withdraw his words. He said, yes, I'll send, but I'm not very happy to leave him. But the purpose for which you are asking, that is great. So he is needed to spread Vaishnava Siddhantam, to spread Vedas. So I am sending him, you take him to Srirangam. Ramanuja with his disciples arriving Srirangam. So as soon as they reached Srirangam, Ramanuja went to have darshan of Nachiyar, that is Tayar, Sriranga Nachiyar. Then he went to the Sannadi of Perumal, Sri Ranganatha. He sang Pasurams of Alvars. Perumal was so happy to hear the songs of Alvars and sung by Ramanuja. He was so fond of Ramanuja, so he was so happy to have him with him. And Ramanuja was received with all respect. Garland, Parivattam and sandalwood paste, Teetham and everything. Then God told him, I am giving the possession of the Srirangam as well as Sri Vaikundam to you. So in Tamil it is known as I am giving, that is you become all these possessions, Udamai Akardu. So Ramanuja came to be known as Udayavar because of this possessions. Perumal is giving all these possessions to Ramanuja, so he came to be known as Udayavar because all this were given under the responsibility of Ramanuja. Udamai Udayavar. So this is how Udayavar, the word Udayavar, that name Udayavar was received by Ramanuja. Now Ramanuja started his Kainkaryam. So he was known for his administration. Even today, you find many temples, many Vaishnava temples follow the methods which were introduced by Ramanuja 1000 years back. The administrative skill, the management skill, the time management, personality traits, personality management, what you all learn in universities, you can learn from the history of Ramanuja, the life history of Ramanuja, because he only gave all these skills, he only gave all these management ideas and everything, management principles and everything. So let us see how he managed and what did he do. And there was a person known as Thiruvaranga Tamadanar who was in charge of this administration. So from him it was given to Ramanuja. So what he did, he divided the people. The concentration of power was not in few hands or one hand. So he was not for it. So he wanted to divide the power among many people, and it was inclusive program. So every person, every group, every part of the society should have access to the Kainkaryam of Perumal. That was his idea. So he included everybody. So people had access to do the service to Perumal. So he divided like Archaka, one group. Then Vinnappam, those who give petitions or those who pray to God. Then next, those who bring water, the holy water for puja. Then those who chant Vedas and those who carry the palanquin bearers. Then those who make prasadam, Madapalli. Then those who make garlands, flowers for Perumal. Then those who play Nadaswaram and other musical instruments. Those who make the potters, because only pottery was used for making food. So potters were needed. Then cleaners. The temples have to be cleaned regularly. So they were needed. And launderers, because clothes have to be washed for Perumal. Then the people who sail boats. So people, all these were included in the Kainkaryam list, and they were given all the rules and regulations were very clearly made, and all guidelines were given, so there was no confusion. So the administration went on very well. Everyone was happy. And he brought everyone together. There was no discrimination. So these were the important points to be learned, he followed, and we have to learn from Ramanuja. So let's see what happened afterwards and the developments of the temple as well as the other incidents in the next videos. Please subscribe our channel.